Yeah, welcome to the Voice of Igbo Wisdom, where we bring ancient adages back to life. In today's episode, our adage is "Ka enetecha ka mgbọ ji atọ enwe n'isi." This simply means the inquisitive monkey gets the bullet at the forehead. So this proverb teaches against excessive curiosity or meddling in matters that does not concern you, just as the monkey who gets shot at the forehead for peeping too long at the hunter. A person who sticks their nose into matters that does not concern them may face serious consequences. Other morals in this adage includes it teaches values of knowing your boundaries. It also warns against unnecessary risks, especially when danger is involved. Then it can also be used to advise children or you to be cautious and not overstep limits. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share your experience. Bye.